Hi viewers, and welcome to Vox Singing Academy's Laryngitis Diaries. This is proudly brought to you by Vox Singing Academy and the Ultimate Online Singing Course. If you want singing lessons online, please check out the Ultimate Online Singing Course at www.voxsingingacademy.com, or if you want lessons with our fantastic establishment and teachers, please look up www.voxsingingacademy.com.au, and that's even if you want online singing lessons. We can help you out with that anywhere in the world as well too. If you want in-studio lessons, please let us know, and we can definitely help you out at our numerous studios that we have here in beautiful Melbourne, Australia. Anyway, let's see how we got this falsetto. Wee, wee, wee. And my falsetto is very husky, very unclear. Normally this is beautiful and crisp and clear, and it's just really husky. Wee, wee, wee. And it feels like I'm singing off pitch. It feels like I can't get pitch with my falsetto here. Wee, wee, wee. I actually have to give it a little bit more power to get the top notes. Wee, wee, wee. I can't go higher. My voice won't let me go high here. Wee, wee, wee. I have to really push it to get it. Wee, wee, wee. Yeah, it feels like I'm not changing key. Wee, wee, wee. Hitting a bit of a sweeter spot here with my voice. Wee, wee, wee. It's actually hard. It was harder to sing down low when I first started. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. It's actually feeling better as I'm going toward the top. So my laryngitis mustn't be at the top of my falsetto range. It's at the bottom because I was having a lot of trouble getting it and activating it down low. Wee, wee, wee. It's still not working. It's still very flat. Wee, wee, wee. It's about as high as I'm going to go. I'm not going to push my voice much more. Wee, wee, wee. But I'm going to come down low. I'm going to see what I've got down low here. Wee, wee, wee. It just feels like my voice is very fat. Wee, wee, wee. My falsetto is super airy. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. So like it feels like there's a lot of air passing through my vocal cords because they're not coming to get a flush. They're like perforated, and it's letting a lot of air come through when I'm actually pushing them together. This is like having two hacksaw blades, and you put them together. There's going to be a gap between them. So that's exactly what's happened to my voice at the moment. If you go to any of my falsetto exercises on my 5-Minute Singer Ask Vox Singing Academy channel, you hear my voice is beautiful and clear here in falsetto, and it's not. I'll keep going. Wee, wee, wee. It's really airy. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. It's just not great there at all. Now, because I'm having trouble with that, I'm actually going to do some true voice to falsetto exercises and see what my transitions are like between the two, just as an experiment. So I'm going to do the R-wee scale. R's in true voice, We's in falsetto. R-wee, ah. R-wee, ah. R-wee, ah. My R doesn't sound great. It feels like it's resonating in my head. Feels scratchy. Ah, wee, ah. Ah, wee, ah. Ah, wee, ah. Ah, wee, ah. I'm actually going to stop there because I don't feel like my true voice is reacting as well as what I like. So I'm going to actually just do some falsetto exercises and see what my falsetto's like. Wee, wee, wee. Sounds okay. Feels okay. Feels good. Trying to support with my stomach and make my neck, my voice do as little work as I possibly can. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. Felt like I had trouble getting to that top note now. Wee, wee, wee. Wee, wee, wee. I'm giving it a little bit more. As I can go. It feels like my voice is stopping here. Wee, wee, wee. It is That's as far as it will go. So my top range still isn't there. Normally I do about 3 or 4 more notes higher. I'm going to come down melodically. This is a lot easier on my voice. It's smoother on my voice more so than hitting the notes. I was doing the dynamic version, hitting the notes, because I feel like I can get my pitch better on when I hit notes. When I'm like this, I'm sliding through. My low falsetto feels good. My falsetto is about the same as it normally is. I just about 3 or 4 notes less up top. Let's see, my falsetto is going. Wee wee wee, wee wee wee. Feeling pretty good. Wee wee wee. Not feeling heavy. Wee wee wee, wee wee wee. Starting to, I have to work it here a little bit now. Wee wee wee, wee. Pretty good, pretty much nearly got my falsetto right back there. Struggling a bit at the top. %of my falsetto's back up there, which is good. I'm going to go with my falsetto. My falsetto is completely there. Feels exactly the same as what it normally does. My falsetto is killing it. Feels great. So I've got my falsetto completely back today. So that's now taken me 4 days. I know that with my previous cases of laryngitis, I know that both my falsetto and true voice came back at the same time. So this is a little bit different. So you might get different scenarios with this. Maybe you'll get your falsetto back before your true voice. Maybe you get your true voice back before your falsetto. But for me, I know last time by memory, and it was a long time ago, it was, the first bout that I had was probably 25 years ago, and the last bout was probably 13 years ago. So I can't really remember, but I do remember that I think they came back both at the same time. My falsetto is back there, sounding great. Wee wee wee, 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 No change in my falsetto, full falsetto. Struggling a little bit up top. I've got some more phlegm today that feels like it's sitting on my falsetto vocal cords up here, more so down on my true vocal cords. I'll just go with the wee falsetto exercise now and see how that's going. Wee wee wee, 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 wee wee wee. Perfect, feels great. Sitting in the right place, sounding exactly like it was when I was 110%.